As we build Java applications, we encounter two types of errors. Compile time or syntax errors that prevent us from compiling our application. These errors happen when we don't follow the grammar or syntax of Java language. That's why we call them syntax errors. The other errors don't happen at compile time. They happen at runtime, when we run our applications. So we call them runtime errors. These compile time errors are easy to find and fix. Most of the time, our code editors like IntelliJ tell us about the error. You have seen many of these errors throughout this course. But when you encounter an error that doesn't really make sense, your best source is Google and StackOverflow.com, which is a question and answer site for professional and enthusiast programmers. If you simply search for the error message you get, I can guarantee that 99% of the time, you can find a page on StackOverflow.com because it's very likely that other people have seen the same error. Now, what about runtime errors? These errors are a bit more tricky. To find them, we need to use a tool called Debugger. So we're going to run our application using this debugger, and with this, we'll execute our code line by line and look at the value of various variables. And this will help us identify the source of the problem. In this section, I'm going to show you how to debug your applications in IntelliJ. But first, let's look at the common compile time errors in Java.